Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
My name is K1, the ultimate, the king of Fuji music. On behalf of myself and the rest of us, Unique Charitable Foundation, say happy birthday to one of us, the delectable lady of substance, Fathia Balogun, on your birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day, usefulness to the society, and above all, grace of Almighty God shall be with you today and every day and evermore. Congratulations, my dear. Aduni o adagba o, nǹkan kò ní ṣe ọmọ ní Fathia mi. Aduni o adagba o.
Happy birthday to the delectable and ever beautiful Vice President of Unique Charitable Foundation, Fathia Balogun. I wish you long life and prosperity. We love you.
Happy birthday to the very stunning and ever delightful Fathia Balogun, Vice President of Unique Charitable Foundation. We love you.
Happy birthday to the very stunning and ever adorable Vice President of the Unique Charitable Foundation. I wish you long life and prosperity. We love you. We love you.
Happy birthday to the very ageless and ever gorgeous Vice President of the Unique Charitable Foundation. I wish you long life and prosperity. We love you.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.